So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can buy Lore Olympus merch in WEBTOON. So guys, if you're a huge fan of Lore Olympus and you want to buy the merch, but you don't know if you can find any ethical Lore Olympus merch, then this video is for you. So guys, you don't need to worry about being ethical because once you're in WEBTOON, you can buy Lore Olympus merch straight from the author. So you would also be helping the author for funds, and also it would be legal. So guys, just go ahead and tap on WEBTOON shop. Once you're in this website that says webtoons.com, just go ahead and tap here. And now you can see this Lore Olympus poster right here. So guys, just go ahead and tap on this search by series option. Scroll down till you find Lore Olympus. You can see it's right here. Just tap there. And now you can find all the Lore Olympus merch that you want. There's also hardback book. If you're a book reader, then this is also for you. There's also a pin badge. There's a throw blanket. There are hoodies. And there's also this action figure, but it seems to be sold out right now, so you could pre-order for later. So if you find something you like, just go ahead and tap on quick add and it will be added to your cart. So guys, that's how you buy Lore Olympus merch in WEBTOON. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.